Hi, have you been wondering or looking for a lunch you can make for your kids when they come back from school, or you are looking for the dinner or even breakfast when they want to go to school? This might be an option for you. Just keep watching. I will show you how I got to make this wonderful recipe. So I will be using tortilla wraps. This will be the first ingredients. I will be using eggs, and I will be using also schenken. This is Wurst. We call it schenken in Dutch. I'll be using also um a sliced paprika, yellow, red, and carrots. I've already sliced it. I want to make this recipe easy for you, and I will be using also ginger and other spices. Let's just dive to show you how I prepare this recipe. I'll be first of all chop my red onions and I will set it aside. Remember, I am using paprika, yellow, orange, and also carrots. So I will go ahead to break my eggs. Depends on the quantity of the wrap you want to do. I'm doing like for 6 people in the house, so I have to use 6 eggs. Okay, if you are doing for 2 people, you have to use 2 eggs, or you can minimize and use 1 egg for 2 people. Depends on how you like eggs. So after breaking the eggs, now just keep watching, guys. If today is your first day joining, please give this video a thumbs up, like our video. If you like what you see in this video, please don't forget to share it so that other moms, parents can also know this recipe. So I will go ahead. After breaking the eggs, I will go ahead to add my spices. This is actually black pepper. I've added also ginger powder, or you can call it turmeric powder, and also added a small paprika powder. I'll add a small salt, okay, for the taste. Just mix together, stir it to rhyme together, and we jump to do this. Remember, if you like um you want it to be tasty, you can also add your Maggi. I added a small Maggi cube for taste, okay? Because this food is for children and the adults can also like it. So I will add the cooking oil in the pan and allow it to get warm. Then I will add these eggs I've mixed together. There are different ways you can prepare this. Mind you, this is the first method I'm using. After adding the eggs on the pan, I'll go ahead to add small onions, paprika yellow. I'll add the paprika orange, and I'll also add the carrots I slice. Just add, you in this recipe you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use salad, you can use tomatoes, you can use anything at all, call it vegetable. Okay, you can use them in your for your taste, how you want, the one you love most. Actually, I've made the one I made with salad before, but today's own I'll be using these ingredients you are seeing here, and this is the first method you can make this. I will be showing you also another method. Just stay tuned, don't go away, watch to the end, I will show you. So after you see this egg are fried a little bit, just is a stir fry, don't fry much. Yes, so I turn it to the other side for it to also stir fry. Then you will go ahead to take your tortilla wrap and place it on top of the egg, okay, the frying egg, for it to also get warm. Remember the tortilla wrap, you can also as well heat it up on the fire with pan. Just heat it up according to your taste. Yeah, make it in a way it's going to be somehow brown or light brown for it to look so good and cook. Remember, this tortilla wrap just like a bread. they're made in a light way. So do you see how yummy this is? Remember, this is the 4 step I'm showing you. I'm going to show you like 3-4 steps how you can prepare this. So don't rush to go out, watch to the end. You are going to like this, and your kids is gonna thank you for this wonderful and your malicious recipe. Dinner, lunch, and breakfast can go. You can't do it wrong. Do it in a way they will love it. This is schenken. We call it schenken here in Germany. Just like a meat from chicken. They made it in a very light way. You can use it to eat bread or anything cookable. Okay, today I'm going to be using it to do this tortilla wrap, and you're gonna love it so much. So look at how it is now. I will go ahead to allow it to heat and also allow the schenken to heat well. Then I will go ahead to wrap it. This is the 4 set, and I know you have already started liking this, guys. So don't waste much time. Just for the first time, do it your taste, as I said before. So I'll go ahead to wrap it now. Just keep watching. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share for other moms to know this. Keep watching, guys. So we go ahead to now roll it. Just roll it. As you are rolling it, you reduce the heat so that you will not get burnt. Okay, you see it is somehow hard to roll. Just roll it in a way it's going to be easier for you. After rolling it, remove it in the next. You can see this one is so yummy. Wow, my kids really love this. So this is the 4th set. I'm gonna show you ways you are going to do it, like 3-4 ways you can gonna do this wrap for your kids, and they're gonna love you to the end. Okay, keep watching, guys. Thank you for watching.
This is Chikwado Space Channel. This is Chikwado Space Channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado Space. Everybody got all of Chikwado Space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado Space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, yeah, Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space, oh, Chikwado Space.
On a fair on a muta, money wearing cashobi, Igamuta Akwukwo, inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check, for food, we did, for vlog, we did, lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado Space.
This is Chikwado Space Channel. This is Chikwado Space Channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado Space. Everybody got all of Chikwado Space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado Space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, yeah, Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space, oh, Chikwado Space.
We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
Chikwado Space.
guys, you can see how we come to the end of this video. I hope you love this tortilla wrap. I know you're going to try it for your children. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try it for your children, and also if you have done it before, let me know. See how I wrap this. You can also wrap it in a way to fold the two sizes, so that you can also add it in the lunch box for your children to go to school with this. Also, you can also make it for lunch or dinner. Remember, they can drink this with tea, or they can chill it with home juice you made for them. There are many ways you can make tortilla wrap. If you have not watched a video of recipe which I made tortilla wrap as a chips, if you have not done watching it, I will also add it in the description. Check it also in this video. You are going to see another ways you can also make a tortilla wrap at home for your children. Homemade is the best. Don't forget to make home recipe for your children. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on your notification for more videos. God bless you for watching. Love you more. Bye for now. See you next time.